Good morning, students. Let's continue with quantifiers. Today in this video we will learn the use of sum and any. Sum and any both are quantifiers and they are used to refer to a plural noun or an uncountable noun. In other words, we can say sum and any both are used before a plural noun or an uncountable noun. So the use of sum and any, that is, they are used before a plural noun or an uncountable noun. But there is a difference between sum and any. Sum, it is used in affirmative and making request. I repeat, sum as quantifier, it is used in affirmatives and in making request. In affirmative sentences, either with a plural noun or with an uncountable noun, we use sum. Even in making request also, we can use sum in question sentences, and there is it is an exceptional use of sum. Now see the use of any. Any, it is used in questions and negatives. It means any, this quantifier, it is used in question sentences and in negative sentences. I repeat, sum and any both are quantifiers. They are used before a plural noun or an uncountable noun. They do not show any specific quantity. There is a difference between sum and any. Sum, it is used in affirmatives and making request, whereas any, it is used in questions and in negatives. Now see the examples. First example, we have some free time later. In this sentence, some, it is used before uncountable noun, that is free time, and the sentence is affirmative. So one use, that is, see, sum and any are used to refer to a plural noun or an uncountable noun. Sum is used in affirmative. So here it is an affirmative sentence. We have some free time later. And here in this sentence, sum, it is used before an uncountable noun, that is free time. Another example, some books are on the table. The present sentence, it is also an affirmative sentence, and here some is used before plural nouns. Books, it is a plural noun, so we have used some. Now another use, that is of any. Any, it is used in questions and negatives. So see here, there isn't any milk in the cup. As the sentence is negative, so we have used any. We cannot say there isn't some milk in the cup. As it is negative, so we have to use quantifier any. There isn't any milk in the cup. We use any in question sentences also. So see the next example. Do you have any idea about the project? As it is a question sentence, here we have used any before the noun idea. So any, it is used in negative sentence and in question sentence, whereas some, it is used in affirmative sentence and in making request. In making request, for example, can I have some water please? Can I have some water please? So it is a request. So in request it is a question, then also I have used quantifier some. Can I have some help from you? Can I have some help from you? Here see the use of some. As it is a question, then also I have used some, because it is second use, that is to make request, we have to use some. So this is the use of some and any. Thank you.